Insert the first end of the heat sealing band into the clamping head. Gently press it downward and tighten the screw until hand tight. Next, set up the seal bar in a vertical position. Push in the upper clamping head and insert the free end of the heat sealing band. Lightly press it into place and tighten the screw hand tight as well. Make sure the heat sealing band lies evenly and flat on the base profile. Before mounting, clean and degrease both sides of the seal bar thoroughly. The best way to do this is with a label remover. Then remove the protective film from the adhesive surface. Align the seal bar on the adhesive side according to the green guidelines and press it into place with even pressure. Now apply the cover strip from above over the rail, sticking it down with slight tension. It is important to ensure smooth, wrinkle-free application, especially in curved or bending areas. If the cover strip needs to be replaced later, all adhesive residue must be completely removed and the surface must be cleaned and degreased again before reapplying. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your designated contact person.